Welcome back to Crack the Windows. In today's video, we are going to solve one of the most confusing topics in Windows networking: how to change MAC address in Windows 11. Many of you commented on my previous video. Can we select what to change? Failed to change MAC address for wireless network connection. It shows an error and says can't change. So today, I am going to show you exact steps with detailed explanation on how to change MAC address in Windows 11. We will verify it live. First of all, check your real MAC address before changing. Type CMD in search box and press enter. Type ipconfig all. Now look carefully. Not media disconnected. Find the adapter that shows IPv4 address, default gateway. That is your active adapter. Now note its physical address. This is the only MAC address we care about. Changing it will do nothing to your real internet connection. Now open Google and search Technitium MAC Address Changer. Open this first official site. Download now. Now go for direct download. Here the setup is downloaded. Double-click and run it. Next. Agree the above terms and next. Next. And next. Finish. Right-click and run as administrator. Now look at the software window. First of all, go to File and click Associate with Preset Files. Now at the top, you will see your network adapters list: Ethernet, Wi-Fi, virtual adapters. Status of MAC address: either changed or not. Current MAC address. Link status. Speed. Now here is your connection details. And here showing original MAC address of this adapter and active MAC address. Right now, both are same. On right side you see live data, sent and received, network speed. This confirms adapter is working, network is active. Most important point: make sure this use O2 as first octet of MAC address must be selected. Setting first octet O2 actually sets the B2 bit, indicating that the MAC address is locally administered. Now click on the adapter whose MAC address needs to change. Now click on random MAC address. You may select any option from here. Now click on Change Now. You will get the message MAC address successfully changed. See, here is original MAC address and here is active MAC address. It changes MAC at driver and registry level. Now to confirm either it's successfully changed or not, go to command prompt and type get MAC. Here is new changed MAC address. Also confirm from ipconfig all command. Now if you want to set MAC address of your choice, go to presets. Click on new. Click on include MAC address. Click on custom. Let's change a digit only from our changed MAC address. If this video helped you, hit the like button. If you still have any Mac or network related problem, comment below. And subscribe to Crack the Windows for real professional Windows and networking guides. Let's change a digit only from our changed MAC address. Save and apply. Here it's changed. Let's check with command prompt. Get MAC. If want to restore original Mac, click on Restore Original. Subscribe to Crack the Windows for real professional Windows and networking guides. Thank you for watching.